Makita, a pioneer in brushless motor technology and battery innovation, combines both in the 18 volts X2 LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless Rear Handle 7¼ inches circular saw. It's powered by two 18 volts LXT Lithium-Ion batteries for maximum performance and has an electronically controlled BL Brushless motor that matches torque and RPM to the application. Makita 18 volts X2 means freedom from the cord, even for demanding applications like cutting sheet and dimensional lumber that traditionally called for a corded saw. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Best of all, users can remain in one battery platform, using the same fast-charging 18 volts batteries with this as they use across the expansive Makita 18 volts LXT cordless tool series. It's part of Makita's expanding 18 volts lithium-ion system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18 volts lithium-ion slide-style batteries. Makita 18 volts lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powered by two LXT batteries. X2 LXT technology delivers more power, speed, and runtime without the hassles of a cord. Number 2. Makita-built electronically controlled brushless motor delivers 5,100 RPM for maximum performance and 50% longer runtime per charge. Number 3. The brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. Number 4. Automatic speed change technology adjusts cutting speed and torque during cut for optimum performance. Number 5. X2 LXT technology delivers up to 558 crosscuts per charge in 2x4 SPF lumber and up to 291 crosscuts per charge in 2x10 SPF lumber using the two 5.0Ah batteries. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.